Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Birchbox unboxing for September. This sample came on the outside, I assume because it didn't fit in the box perhaps. This is by It Cosmetics and it is Secret Sauce, which it says it's a anti-aging moisturizer. I've tried a lot from their company and I've liked everything I've tried, so excited to try that. And the box is pretty cool this month. It has like a little slide out drawer. We've gotten one like that in the past. And I guess this is their anniversary month. It says they launched in September 2010. Very cool. So you have all the list of products on the back, tells you their full retail prices and additional information. So let's take a look. There's a 10th annual customer appreciation bingo. Huh, that's cool. There's a little game you can play. Ooh, I have gotten one of these before. This is by Arrow. It's a color enhancing lip balm. So it looks like that, and then you put it on and it changes colors on your lips. It's pretty interesting. So that's cool. Have that. Also, Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. It says it's color safe and paraben free. That sounds pretty cool. Ooh, it's interesting. It kind of reminds me of, was it Floam? Is that the name of the stuff from like the, what was that, the 90s? Kind of looks like that. It smells really good. Also have some Micellar Water. Hopefully I said that right. Have some of that. Collagen and Elastin Moisturizer for combination dry and sensitive skin. This is a hydrating mask. Tons of samples this month. Something from Bare Minerals. This is the original foundation. It has a SPF 15. I actually use that kind. I think this is the powder. They also have like a pressed powder one. That's the one I use. Caviar Anti-Aging Bond Repair Shampoo and Conditioner Foil Packet as well. So cool. This was a good box. Tons of little samples. We'll definitely use all of this stuff. And yeah, if you guys would like to join, I've been subscribed for several years now. I'll put my link below in case you're interested, but I also have a playlist in case you want to see previous boxes if you're undecided what to sign up for. I'm subscribed to both Birchbox and Ipsy, and I love them both. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.